Okay, welcome to my first tutorial. This is the second try, and I make a tutorial, a complete one, how to make the light boxes, especially for the Bambu printer, and we use the program Autodesk Fusion 360. And I hope you will enjoy it. And so let's get started with the first sketch. First, we have to check out how many space we have on our printer. So we make our printer bed. And I take 220 to 220. So this is our print bed. I choose a construction line, okay, like this. And we finish up the first sketch. Note, my English is not very well, but I will try my best. I have some words I don't know, but I think everybody will understand and you can see what I'm doing. So let's start with the second sketch. On the second sketch, we will do our design and we choose a SVG file from our computer. I have downloaded this file before. You can find in the internet SVG files for free. You only have to Google it, and we take my. So this is okay. We put it here. Say okay. Now you see that this file, the lines are green, okay, because they are fixed. So we choose all and then right click and say unfixing. Okay, this is better for the organization and if you want to change the position or something like that. So then we need this one. Okay, this is good. And we need the stand for the lamp. This is a very easy way and you can do it how you want it. And for me, it works very good. Moment. What happened here? Come on. Okay, no, sorry. This one. Okay, fine. So we can finish up the second sketch. And now we want to create our light frame. The frame is very important. And for the frame, we need only the outer lines. Okay, so we need a third sketch. We put it here. And then we choose our projection tool here. Okay, projection, then projection. Okay, and note to disable this one. Okay, so you can choose this one. With a double click, you get more lines. I don't know why this line is not coming. Oh, I forgot. Okay, no problem. Okay, so a line is missing here. Okay, now we have it. And now we need this one. I don't know the word in English. In German, it's Versatz. So you can learn a little bit German. We choose this tool. Moment. No. First we have to delete this one, and now we can choose this one. So our frame have 4 sections. The first section is 1.5. The second section is 3.0. The third section is 4.5. And the last section is 6.0. Okay, fine. So that looks good. And we have now our frame. Okay, so we can start now with the first extrusion. Okay, we don't need to show up this and this, so I can turn it off. We don't need it. Points we don't need. Okay, that's enough. So we finish up this third sketch and start to extrude the first section from our light frame, this one. And we need a high 40 millimeters. You can do it with 40, with 50, with 35. It depends on your style, how you like it. For the tutorial and for my lamps, I take 40. So then we take the second, choose the second section. Wait. Second one. And the high must be minus 2.3 millimeter from the first section. So it's 37.7. This is the second section. And now we have, this section is for our lid. The lid can lay down on this area. Okay, we have space for the lid. Above the lid we make later some locks. Okay, so let's go on with the third section. This one, and this one is 0.2. And okay, so this is connecting to the other sections. We have one body now. This is our frame. Okay, and you can see it here. We have one body. We can turn it off and turn it on. And for the better organization, we give the body the name frame. Okay, and now we can go on with our design. This is the important thing for the lamps, the design, and the whole design will be in the first layer. 0.2 works for me very good. We start with the sunglass. 0.2. Okay, and we have a new body. So we call the body sunglasses. Okay, and then we can press A. And then we get this here, and we can choose some colors. We need some colors for our design. Okay, so the frame we want to be in black, and the sunglass too. Okay, so now we can go on with the mouse. But wait, this is a little bit boring. We can pimp the smiley a little bit. Okay. So we make a little bit pimping. Okay. And I put here some teeth. Some nice teeth. So this is a vampire. Vampire? In German, it's a vampire. Okay, so it's a vampire smiley. Okay, now we can delete this area and this area. Okay, and can finish up the sketch. So we go on with the extrusion from the mouse. We need this area, and this area. We have 3 areas to extrude, so we will get 3 bodies. 0.2. Okay. We get 3 bodies, so it's better to make a group, and the group we call mouse. Okay, then we can choose the 3 bodies. You click one, go to the last one, press shift, and then you put them in the group mouse. Okay, we press A, and we want the mouse to be in red. Okay, fine. And we can go on with the teeth. (0.2), and note the bodies now next to each other, the teeth next to the mouse. Fusion want to connect them, but we don't want to connect them. We need new bodies, so we have to choose here not the connection. We need new bodies. So now we will get the 2 teeth bodies, this one. And we can give the name teeth 1. Okay. You can put it in a group, but these are only 2 files. I make now 2 names and we are ready. So teeth 1, teeth 2. And the teeth need color too. We take the white and make them white. Okay, fine. So it's a funny smiley. Perfect for a tutorial for beginners. Not so much details, and so everybody can understand. Now we need to choose to extrude the face and the base from the face. I call it base from the face. 0.2. Note to choose here new body. Okay, and we have a new body and call the body base face. Okay, fine. So we need a color. We press A and choose yellow. Fine. This one here is the base, the letter base, because later we want to put some letters on it. So let's choose this one. 0.2, new body like before. And okay, so this is the base, the letter base. Okay, and the letter base we want to have in black. Okay, Fine. So now we have this area. I can turn around so you can see what we will get. This will be our lamp. Now the first section from our frame is something like border space, okay? And we need to extrude this in it's not so easy to moment. Okay, wait, sorry, this one. No, moment. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. So I switch off the body and then I can choose it better. Okay, I can switch on the body and we have 0.2 again. All is you. Wait, what happened? New body. So, okay. So this is our border space. Border space. Okay. And we want to have the border space in the color white. Fine. Okay. So now we need, I can show you the proving tool. We take this one here and take the analysis. I switch off the body, choose, wait, I choose this direction. I go to this one, switch on the body, and here we can now, okay, it's okay. So we can check a little bit if everything is in the right position. And now you see here, this is our border space, okay? And this is our frame. So we have here the border line. And we need to put a background on top to make the lamp more stability. And for the light from the LEDs, it is better too, okay? So I can switch off the analysis and we make the background. The background is this one, and this one. And this we have to extrude the direction two sides. And then the first side is 0.4 and minus 0.2. New body is okay. We have to switch on the body that Fusion can make the extrusion, and not connecting, we need a new body. So we have our background. We call the body background. Okay, and the background should be in white. It's very important. Okay, fine. So now the next step, we will do our locking system for the cover, for the lid. So I switch off the body, and here on the second section, if you remember from the beginning, is the place for the lid. We need to make here some locks. So I go in this third sketch, and this is my solution, how I make the locks. Maybe you have better improvements, better ideas, easier, or something like that. You can write it in the comments. I will be very happy if we have other locking systems. So I make this 2 millimeter. Okay. Okay. Then I take the middle from the 2 millimeter. It's here. You can see the triangle. When you see the triangle, you have the middle and 0.9. Okay. So then we take the end and we want to have 60 degrees. I know, I think there will be a better way, but I do it like this. Where's the end? Here's the end. Okay. And I choose 120. Okay. Next one. I will start here. Okay. Okay, fine. So we can delete this, this, and this. And we have our log. We can finish up the sketch and extrude our log. We choose the log, extrude. We can switch on the body so Fusion can make the extrusion. And we want to have here the log. So we have to choose direction to side, and the log should be in the height from 40, and the log thickness is 1 millimeter, so we have to choose minus 39. Okay, and not connecting, we need a new body. So okay, fine. So I switch this off. Now you can see we have a new body. This is our log. Okay, here's a little bit space for the lid, and that we can press the lid above the edges. We need a little bit smoother finish. We choose the edges with 0.5. And then we have round edges. Okay. And our next step will be, we need more logs. One log is not enough for a good fitting. So my solution for that is, first we have to name the body log, okay. And then we can choose this one and this one and this one. I don't know the name in English. You choose this one, and then you can choose the line where you want to go the bodies around. I have to switch this on, and this is the line. Okay, here you can see this is our log, and we want this line. Okay, so now you can take it here in this direction, or I go in this direction. Important is, you see now, if you look, that don't look good. The log don't have the right direction. You have to choose here not identical, you choose this. This is the line direction. Okay, so, and we need 20 logs. 20 logs. So, zimsalabim, now we have 20 logs. Then we can check it out. If we don't have a log on the edge, this is okay, this is okay. Everything is okay, fine. If you have one on the edge, you can make, for example, one more or one less. So, okay. So we have now 19, it's okay. And so we will become now 19 new bodies. So here are 19 new bodies. These are all the logs. We need one log more later for our cable system for the LED stripe. So I take the first log and copy and paste it. And I need 5, 6, 7 millimeter. This is good. Okay, fine. And now we can combinating the frame with the combination tool with all the logs. You choose the first one and then you press Shift and choose the last one. And we have all connected. They are black now and we have nice little round logs. So now we go on with the lid. So we switch off this one and we choose our lid. The lid is this one, this one, this one, this one. And we need to make the extrusion, the direction 2 sides, like before. And the lid goes up to, let me think, 39 millimeters. Oh, here meters, no. Meters is a little bit millimeters. And minus 38 millimeters. Okay, so wait, I switch on the body and ta-da, we have a nice lid. We call them lid, okay, fine. And the lid should be in black too. We press A and we have now the lid. So I will show you with the analysis tool, I can switch on. And now you can see here a nice fitting for the lid. We have here a little bit space, so it works very well. Okay, so and now we can do the letters. Every Lightbox needs some letters for individualization. I switch this off. We make now a new sketch on the letter base and take the letter tool, the text tool, and then we can choose the, wait, what happened? Moment. Again, text tool. Ah, okay. So we can change the position of the text. The text is stay cool, and we make it a little bigger. And here you can choose other letter styles, you know. So, but we keep it simple now, and it can be okay. This is good, and we can choose the middle, and here the middle, and we have our letters. So we can finish up the sketch and switch on the sketch again. This is not important. And now we need a new group. This is very important. you make a group, 2 new groups. One group we call letter base, and one group we call letters. So we extrude the letters with minus 0.2. Okay, so now you see this is the background, and we have here deleting the space for the letters. Okay, so and here we have now one body, and the third body. We have 3 new bodies here, the letter base. We have to put them in the group letter base. So now you can see when I switch off the group, the letter base I have to put there too. Now you see, okay, it's all together and you have a good organization. Okay, this is a very important rule if you have later very complicated designs with many bodies. So now we have to extrude the letters. With 0.2 again, minus 0.2, and we have to choose new bodies. We should get 8 bodies because we have 8 letters. Okay, so here are the letters. We can choose them and put them like the other stuff in the letter group. Fine. So we want to make the letters in white. We press A, choose the first one, press Shift, the last one, and take the white. Okay, again. Okay, fine. So, and the last one we have to do is a little hole, for our LED cable. And then the complete Lightbox is finished. I hope you enjoy it. And let's do the last step. Where I have the lid. Okay, here. Sorry. Moment. Where is the... Yeah. Okay. So here we need to make the hole for the cable. I choose this one. 4.0 is enough space. So, moment. Oh, that's not good. Moment. What happened here? Okay, wait, we need to do it again. .0. Okay. And this position is very good. We can finish up the sketch, and now we can make the extrusion for the hole for the cable. So we have to choose everything and switch on body. We need the direction to sides, and we need the deleting, the second one. So you can put it. Oh, moment. What happened? Okay. 40. Moment. Again, there was a little mistake. Okay. So I switch on the bodies. Two sides. Okay. And this 230. Okay. Fine. Here you can see, here's our hole, and this is why we make the two locks, because the cable maybe will move a little bit the lid, so we have a little bit safety, and for more safety that we don't damage the cable, we make it a little bit smooth here. This one, and this one, and this one. Okay, 0.5. Okay, and now you see we have round edges. I will switch off the lid, and you see here you can put the cable inside and you have space. Okay, so this is our light box, and you see you only take 30 to 40 minutes, and I hope you enjoy it, and I would be very happy if you share your files in my Facebook group, because there we want to share free files for Lightboxes, and there you can get more information about better results for the printing. I have their PDF file, and I hope you will enjoy it. So happy printing, thank you for watching, and goodbye.